Hey gang, this is Vicky Kelly with the Golden Rule Trading Plan. And today was a difficult day to read the patterns. It was more of a see money, take money kind of day. By the time we opened, we were already well into a downward move. And again, sometimes once it starts pre-market, it's more difficult to see once the market opens. If we caught it correctly, we would have made $325, but I can tell you what I did. I just scalped this move here and I got out here because it had gone, gone in towards our target and then bounced back up. And again, I wasn't even sure I had seen it properly, so I got a little scared and got out too quick. I took this one here that fired off and it immediately got stopped out for $250 loss. On this one, at the first one, I made a couple $100, but nothing near the 325 that was available. We had another setup here about 10:40, even though it started to set up clear over here at 10 o'clock. It took it 40 minutes to actually trigger. We would have gotten in here. We would have hit our target here for about $275. And then there was one more setup. Again, we trade until 11:30. We did have a setup here. And again, it was since it was so choppy and again difficult to read, when I saw this pierce into this last box. And then I also saw, look at all these energy lines here that are all stacked on top of each other. Sometimes that creates a lot of support and resistance. So when I saw this pierce through here and then close above, I went ahead and got out here with for $250. So if we had seen everything, we would have made $600 per contract. But I got to tell you, I've been doing this for a long time and this was difficult to see. So I only made about $250 per contract, and I was happy with that since I didn't catch all of them the way I wanted to. So if you would like to learn more and begin practicing for yourself, and maybe even show me up a little bit and how you get to see these. We're going to be having a course soon. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'd be glad to answer them. And have a good evening and good luck trading.